This is an enhancement with commentary throughout the video. You don't want to miss it. And here it is, the enhancement. I absolutely love it. Of course, I have to love it. And the original pour was done as part of a live stream, and you can still see that. You can see the video on my channel. And today I'll be showing you exactly what I did to enhance it, and I'll have commentary throughout. So keep watching. This pour was pretty amazing to begin with, and I am so happy that I get to enhance it and make it even better. For the sake of time, I have sped it up because it did take me quite a number of days to get it just right. But I have given you the highlights here, and nothing important was cut out. At this point, I'm concentrating on getting a focal point for the painting, and this low-lying area seemed to be the right choice. I think adding this beautiful turquoise really added more depth and brought out the lacing in the beautiful pour. I often use a simple sponge to blend the sky colors together. It is very effective. I'm adding the sails and the sailboats along the horizon there just for fun. I found them a bit bright, and later in the video you'll see that I toned them down a bit. It did work better with the composition. I often change the composition of the painting. In this case, it was mostly the sky. I felt it really needed it. Adding this turquoise to the sky really made a big difference to it. I find it best to use colors that I've used in the sky as well as in the main body of the painting. I wanted to add a sense of power and drama by having the water kind of flow downwards and splashing down at a low point. It took me a while to get the sky just right. I worked on it quite a long time. Here I'm adding a bit of raw sienna just to give it a bit of a highlight, and I put it on and then wipe it off so you just get a sense that it's there, but it's not very bright. So I had walked away and came back and started painting and forgot to press record. And so you see these mountains already completed, but I felt they needed it. I needed to paint them there just to give it more sense of depth. Look how far away those mountains are, and this water that's coming towards us is very close. You can see here that the sky has changed once again, and I just kept working on it, and it pretty much stayed the way it is now. The lights sometimes make the painting a little bit washed out. There's a lot more depth and color to it in person. I named this painting Regatta. I just keep working on a painting until the painting itself tells me that it is complete. So this just did take a number of days, but it was so beautiful in the end, and I love doing it.